it's Shauna of the Shauna Method, and I am here with a weekly habit to help you get and stay organized. And this one's going to sound a little obvious, but this tip is every week, walk through your spaces and throw away trash. Now you might be thinking, Shauna, I throw away my trash. I don't need to add this habit, but you might be surprised to see what has accumulated, trash that has accumulated in your space. Here are a couple common culprits that I see. Candy wrappers or snack wrappers that we sort of just leave on the counter. Contact lenses that we might remove and leave in the bedside table or on the bathroom counter. Cups like coffee cups, paper cups, plastic cups that we brought to the desk and then pushed to the side and never got around to throwing away. Here's another common one. Tags from new clothing that we rip off maybe in the bedroom or the closet, and because there's no trash can there, we just stick them on the nearest surface, such as the shelf in the closet. So, this is a simple task. Just pick up a small trash can and just walk around, and anything you see that is trash once a week, pitch it. And this is a tip to help you keep from leaving trash around in the future. Two tips actually. One is try to have as many trash cans in your space as possible. Ideally, we'd like one in every room. And if you have a big walk-in closet, maybe you want to tuck one in the closet too. And then a second, which is sort of a mental trick, is whenever you put something down that's trash, imagine that it is crawling with bugs. This mental trick will sort of disgust you and might motivate you to get up and actually throw it all the way away rather than have it sitting there crawling with bugs. So I hope you'll try this weekly tip to get and stay organized.